Oh, your boy is fresh. It ain't Ralph though. Should I or should I not wear these glasses? Let me know. Which one I prefer? Without the glasses or with the glasses? This is without the glasses. This is with the glasses. Yeah. Start this vlog. Lights, camera, action. I'm going to meet some people today. Some other YouTubers them recently started a channel and thing. I'm gonna meet up with them. It's one of them birthday. I think it's Vanilla's birthday, aka Mickey. Yeah, it's done at ChillOut Hut, and I go down there to make things lit. It's supposed to lit already because I run about 30 minutes late. Almost 7 o'clock now. I'm supposed to reach around 6, but then it says 7 latest. I'm alright, I'm gonna try and make it for 7, but I'm not gonna make it for 7. If you're watching this, I apologize in advance, and just know I pull up right now and I'm a suit already. Let me know your swag stay, outfit of the day. Let's go, it's gonna be lit. I'm done reach late, so I expect everybody to reach already. If I'm late, everybody else can't late. Too much people can't late one time. I'm fine, bro. Alright, pretty. Yeah, I'm sure I did reach longer before you.
No, I'm tell you something there. So, by you, no, something I like your style, I'm gonna stop going with it. You know why?
Why?
You make plans to come and see you on my phone already.
Alright, boss man. Alright, boss man.
Let me ask you.
Yes, you know.
Yeah.
I dress up and you know dress up. That's what I say.
Exactly.
I'm put on my shades because I get too bright tonight. Because 1 hour later, I'm still away from them and I make a request want something more. I'm already gone out by budget. I have some water and the budget gone bad already. So I better hurry up and come for my money done. Because trust me, bank call me. Thank you very much. Slitty boy. ChillOut chicken wrap. Or cafe mocha chicken wrap. Which one is Liddy? Which one is Lydia? Big man team I prefer cafe mocha. Get the fries on that. It's lit boy, you know it's lit. Yes, please. What it is? Liddy boy. You want to say hi to your vlog?
No, hold on. They're not vlogging.
What's that?
They call up Canadian fans.
Ah! What's that, vlog?
Hi, vlog world of Ismash. Ismash.
Just big up. It's like team Ismash. You can't just say hi to the entire team. Say, hey. Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you.
I'm a happy birthday card. What were you saying? ChillOut Hut then brush me and see you there.
I'm sorry.
I don't know who is too. Who can sue the more some money than that?
ChillOut Hut.
Alright, man, go. I go straight home. Huh? No, the hospital there all the way downtown. Alright, nice meeting you. Alright, bye. Alright, I'm not pay for that, you know. Who got my bill? So guys, guess what? Alright, so guys, I'm down here. The centipede bite me. And I try to leave now for guys. And them have me a wait. ChillOut Hut. Yo, I'm gonna make my first profanity in that video here. But ChillOut Hut. And we're not gonna see me again. Trust me. God knows. We leave a chicken wrap up there. Yeah, I can sign to something. Come I'm gonna leave, you know. So if you want me to sign to something, I'm gonna sign to something real quick. rap. Wait, I'm supposed to carry rap come give me. I'm supposed to carry the rap come give me. Repeat.
Because something I have to write
So I know just declaring whatever happened
well, I don't know
about the meal.
here, but I just write something that you allege that you've been bitten by something.
Alleged.
I wasn't there, boss. But I said, me can't tell you say I lie. Then if you didn't ever there, I in first, I tell you say right. We're right because you say allege. That's how
You can ask it like a staff if they did see centipede.
No,
And
you
they
don't
see it, if they
understand
see it.
me. If I don't see, I have to write that it was
Right, you want to see it?
No, you show me a rub. I was the one who rubbed the burn cream on, but it's
What
not
is alleged?
alleged me that
No, what was alleged? Can you saw it? It's not alleged.
we still say, you know, hear me, boss. We still
Want to make one cut? I make my phone charge.
but we can't, me not know if I win either. But me not, that disputing, that
make my
we
phone
can't determine that it's
That what?
But when
It is
you
that-
go
that's-
down,
it's a centipede.
hold on, I don't want you. Once you go to the doctor and whatever charges you bring back the receipt.
Yeah, I mean, I asked it.
I mean, right
feed
that
me.
means the manager here, Solomon Philip,
Yeah.
and you let that stand up by your XYZ. Hold on.
Yeah,
You will
exactly.
go into the doctor and when you come back, we will stand with you. That's all.
But feed meal now, when you say me have to pay, just let me get the meal. If you can't find it, I'm sign something for you declare say, believe the meal up down, you can't find the meal. Come on, want the meal now.
With your friend then because it's your friend up there.
Say you can't find
Go
the
back
food.
and look where you sit down. I don't know where you were sitting down.
And you have me away, and the boy, the thing I get worse, you
Go and look
know.
quick now.
Fuck like that, you know my phone. You're the weirdest people I can tell alleged that centipede bite me after them witness a centipede bite. Yo, when I not kitchen but down in them place, yo, me have a bad feeling about that place, you know, man. Just chill out there, whatever they want, yeah. 100% phone a charge. Phone a take forever for charge. Charge, nigga. But yo, them people are evil, dog.
I never say your friend.
No, I'm not a problem. Brush. No, me ask sir. Nobody no come up there to assist. After I come, when it disappear. When it stay the aftermath, when it disappear. I'm up there and it's something that swell. And then I come down here and I ask her what I'm supposed to do. What up?
What we're saying, boss, we're not disputing that it is
Me pay for my food and have a bit.
what may I say to you now, I'm the only person here. And not because a person, we're not saying you're bad, but we can't just close the place. You understand me?
No, I'm not say anything. I'm not say anything like that.
At the same time when they call me, I come right away. So it's not that we're not there. You know? But it's not, you know.
Good man. Sorry. Right. Wicked.
So I just say they have to pay for it. They have to pay for it. Because the bill, it have to be paid for. Because it have to be paid for.
I'm gonna get the meal and I'm gonna pay for that. I left the chicken wrap up. The lady they come up there and said it's similar living food. You come up there.
But what I'm saying, somebody has to pay for it because it is $1,900 and $1,988.
You wrap up. I'm the drink. I'm the drink.
Everything.
No, where is all the drink? When I say gone. When I say my food, they're up there. Okay, man, need me to pay for my drinks and my food. And the man then creature bite me. But I know I'm for pay.
You don't understand me. We give people want already rap out, then that have to be paid for. So yeah, you deal with them or, you know, just stay and you deal with them and it. Because they wanna come.
They're here for like a couple minutes now, well. And they were forced with my feet. They rather my foot rotten off. They prefer my foot rotten off. They have to let me go. Cause I have to pay for something and my food I'll end up missing and be things. And so they never say no. I'll pay for this. So what am I supposed to do? So pay for the food when I can't get and do what? They must say they can't find the food when I leave up there. One centipede, one big old centipede, and then they must say it's alleged. That's it, that's the centipede bite. That man, he must say it's alleged. And that man say me go there with my foot swell up and them see dead centipede on the ground. A girl and kill the centipede.
The answer on him still.
Oh fuck. What my plate? Then they take up my plate. Along with the receipt. So they hardly want to let me out now, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I don't want to let me out, get caged in. So just know, I spend a minute before they let me out of the place. Figure doctor. Fee centipede bite. ChillOut Hut. I don't know if people go to a place like it ain't a Falmouth. So it ain't a Chilani. On the outskirts of Montego Bay. I think close to the border. Trust me, fam G. I don't know how to do it, but I wouldn't do it no longer. So I'm free me up now. Ah! Oh! Yo, this thing hurts! Yo! So I made it to the hospital, yo. Yo, my leg got kill me. Made it to the hospital, yo, my leg got kill me. Go ahead and see what. What is it?
You're white. Unless you're American. No mind it.
Who's patient, bro? Who's patient? Alright.
Hi.
Oh. It's on the cup. I have to take off my pants. Yeah. Alright. Update. I'm not home. If you're wondering, because of the hunger. Currently, still in the doctor's office. And trust me, whatever just take place, it's not fun. Now I'll be telling you what took place out of it, but it wasn't fun. It was one of the worst experiences in my entire life. And people, let me tell you something. When I get old and I have to take a whole lot of injection, just know it's not anything fun. It's one of your worst nightmares. Just know. Feel weak. Nurse then nice. Wait, my chest stand up again. Chest stand up. Hey, come. What's up? Still feel it.
Be careful the edge of it.
Yeah, I know. My chest stand up again. What is it? I have to slow it. You like a old. You like a old. One little bite cause all of this. All of this.
You can't still feel.
No, I feel better. But them places still shut down. I don't feel it. Soon come. It's right. I'm alive. I'm alive. I can walk. I can walk.
You're walking.
He said something about like venom.
No, she was saying that's why it looked like that.
Oh.
She seems to be concerned about.
What is it? What did he like
They just burn you, cramp you up, and then rub up the. That's why he definitely cut off from prevent the constant.
the scorpion did what? What did he release? This is what the like centipede.
It has venom, but it's not.
It's not lethal.
Nice snake.
Right.
That's venom then, man. I read it, that's it. Yeah, of course.
I can't believe she's still a behave like this.
So how are you going to drive?
Huh?
How are you going to drive?
I think he asked I just my uncle when you was driving. I think this it's just this muscle is walking go to the car no problem. Yeah. But driving.
You can't walk to the car. But it's serious, isn't it?
Huh?
This car's for concern.
Yeah, that's what I admit it.
That's true. I thought seriously everybody is allowed.
Yeah, the car's for concern. You walk, go to the car.
Walk exactly, you don't run. You run, I tell
Don't
you.
do all.
Alright, look fam. I'm not making this video to bash ChillOut. Wait, I'm cleaning out the lens here. I'm not make this video for bash ChillOut because then, you know, them service awful and all that. I'm not make it because them food worth less than what I pay for. Them food worth way less than what it costs. I'm not make this video for bash them, yo. But just say, yo, then if you step up then game and own up to them responsibility and deal with people better than how them deal with people. Half of the things I'm gonna put in my vlog because yo, if I do it like the image way I could create on them, trust me, I know nothing good. But trust me, they never have the best service. I never get the best hospitality down there whilst the incident they go down. Like a centipede bite me yo, and a centipede venomous, you don't know, and then I allow me to go to the doctor ASAP. Then I don't want to pay for food when I can't forget. Cause all of a sudden my food missing, juice missing. By the way, I go find about my juice, but I don't know my food. And then say my juice is missing, but screw that, that done gone, that dead. I'm gonna end the vlog here and just say yo, if I wanna make it to the end of the video, yo, I wanna really care about me. I really care about me, yo, and I appreciate it. See my Ismash. I try to drop like vlogs for this week. Sorry again if me continuously like I look up on the flip screen there, but I know I still not come out of that bother with you. But I appreciate a video a little long, I know that. A video long, I know that. But ChillOut Hut, step up on the game. Even though I'm not saying my back a dying doing this, so no day, no time, no how. But step up on the game and treat a black man who I'm supposed to be treated. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this video. I'm out. Go watch yesterday's vlog. Go watch yesterday's vlog if you don't know what you did.